Hello and warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to learn about equality. This is our first chapter. Name of the chapter is On Equality. Here you can see the pictures of equality. It means men and women are equal right. They are equal before law. What we are going to learn from this chapter? First, equality and its various forms. First, voting. It means all people have equal right. Those who are 18 and above 18 years, they have equal right to give votes and select the representative according to their choices. Second, on the basis of caste, it means all persons should have equal right under the first fundamental right, whether they are belonging to any caste. Third, same as all persons have equal right under the first fundamental right. It means we should not discriminate any people according to religion. We also understand the story of Om Prakash Valmiki, and we also study Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. We also discuss in this chapter about equality in Indian democracy. Under the Indian democracy, we understand the concept of midday meal scheme, why this scheme was launched and why it is important for students. We also studies different issues on equalities. But before it, we have to understand the concept of fundamental rights. So, we know that our constitution has provided 6 fundamental rights. So, our first fundamental rights is right to equality. Here you can see 6 fundamental rights. First is right to equality, second is right to freedom, third is right against exploitation, fourth right to freedom of religion, fifth cultural and educational rights, and last sixth right to constitutional remedies. So our first chapter is on equality. But before it, we have to understand the concept of equality. The most important question is, what is equality and why it is necessary? So the answer is, equality means equal right. We can also say equality means no discrimination. And equality means all men and women are equal before law. And at last, equality means all have voting rights. We can also understand why equality is necessary. So, here is the example. Equality among boy and girl. You can see the picture of boy and girl here. It means before the independence, the girl have not right. But nowadays, the boy and the girl have equal right. We should not discriminate according to gender. All religions are equal. We know India is a democratic country, and due to this condition, all religious people have equal right. we know we are celebrating different types of festivals, and we also know it all religious people have equal right. Equal educational rights. We know it, before independence girls should not have right to get education, but nowadays girls have also equal right, and girls and boys are studying together nowadays. That shown girls have also equal right. Equality among basic needs. If we are Indian, so that this is our right, that we can fulfill our basic needs. What are our basic needs? Our basic needs are food, shelter, and cloth. Other information you will get in my next upcoming videos. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.